Religion and sculpture. Sculpture has been centered in religious devotion in many cultures, and until recent centuries, large sculptures were usually an expression of religion or power. When people behold a religious work of art, they are reminded of the abundance
ang iyong kailan! Igan! Kaibigan! Siya ang karamay mo lagi!
Other musical examples.
Gusto ko lang marin. Ay, di ko ako sa...
Nagtayo sa'yo ni Dirty.
Next mo naman yung break.
Di ba kanta sa'yo ni Dirty?
Salamat ah.
Adi kita tayo.
Oh? Sige. Oo na, pakipray ko ngayon. Cecil, birthday ni JC. Message! 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 Kim, ano masasabi mo? Ikaw laseng halata.
Sali lang.
Palit sa'yo ng boyfriend mo maintindihan.
Ikaw lamang sa buhay. Tumitito ang puso ko'y digin. Sumama ka na sa'kin. Teka.
Basta si Maika ba?
Ilan ako nagtanong niya?
Si Karen.
Oh, may sasabihin pa ka.
May master ka ni Karen.
Cheers mo gawin ko na yun.
Awal ba? Gusto ba yung may...
You're not fooling anyone when
spot. Somebody else is on everyone else watching her face like you. Libat lang ang tag na sabay. Music so complicated. I see it all here. I'm thinking somebody else is watching her face.
Nakabot ko napanood yung music video ng Dalay ito.
Tower.
It's my own downtown, walking fast, and things as fast as the whole town. Staring back at your head, making my way through the crowd. And I need thought, and I miss thought, and now I wonder if I can fall into the sky. Do you take time to find me by? 'Cause you know I love her 1,000 miles if I could just please you tonight. Happy birthday! Promise that I did, but I think I'm being and I don't need you ever think of me.
Pastor niya.
Saying things are wrong and I don't know anything else. Precious memories. That's it. And now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. You think time will pass me apart. Make up.
Grabe sa buhok.
Pinapas.
Hindi ko pa mabasa ng buhok kasi nakikita ng chapter kasi yun. Yung sa bata niya. Hindi yun.
I can't believe we're through. If this is what you need, there's nothing else I can do. This is
Okay.
Amateur
singing contest.
Para siya pala.
ang pagkakarang ko'y nagluwas sa'yo. Ngayong wala ang puso'y di na makalib mo. Sa tuwing kapiling ka, hanging nakama ang pagsilip na bituin sa iyong mga mata. Ang saya nito pag-ibig, sana ay di na maliban. Ang pangarap ko'y ang iyong binubuhay, ngayong nagmamahal ka sa akin.
Yan. Sean! Yung favorite siya ng mami ko eh. Yung top ng mami. Mami ko tapos.
Kung bakit ang tulog ko'y dahil sa hirap mong tinataklan. Nang karamay tumawag ka, siya ang iyong malipalo, ang iyong di ba sabihin mo?
I know.
Nagkaramay mong lagi siya ay sinasud sa bawat sandali.
Ano ka na?
Kung ang buhay mo'y walang sigla, laging ako, laging alam, laging pagkatu. Siya ang iyong
Got a Mercedes and you know about it, ladies.
I seen you jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, I'm so dope, boys, I seen you jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, I'm so dope, boys, whose house? Hove, no doubt, about the only rapper still get money in a drought. I moves out in the global, I'm a mobile, 50,000 feet in the air, and I'm still on my mobile. Fuck talking about the recession, it's just depressing. I rock with Obama, but I ain't no politician, and I chill with the thugs and the gangsters too. I ain't the blood, but I'm one with the boys in blue. Crooked officer, why you wanna see me in a coffin, sir? Is it against the law the way I'm flossing, sir? Benz's, Rolls Royces, and Porsches, haters like, oh, why you still talking money shit? Cause I like money, bitch. I like fly shit. You like gossip. I let you do you. Why you ride my ship? Jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, I'm so dope, boys, right? Jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, jockin' JC, I'm so dope, boys, right? That bloke from Oasis said I couldn't play guitar. Somebody should have told him I'm a fucking rock star. Today is gonna be the day that I'm gonna throw it back to you. I'm living life as a rocker. I'm like Pimp C, partner coming down and Mercedes peeling off on the boppers. Worldwide show, I'm coming down in the chopper. 180 down, screaming ho with the rock up. It's too easy. I got ladies on shoulders showing me they chi-chis. I met Honey at the show last year, and now I'm acting brand new like a world premiere. Yeah, I know life ain't fair, but chill, baby girl, my girl is here. I got models in the mosh pit dancing on beat, but they know the words of my shit.